I think a few things drive this trend. I think people are finally realizing that we have no choice.
Yeah.
There is no plan B, as people say. So I think people are realizing that, and people are realizing that all across the value chain, from the consumers who want more from their suppliers, who need help, to governments who provide both incentives and new regulation, to investors who also want to invest in the ecological transition. So I think it's a push from all angles, whereas probably 15 years ago it was more supply-led, and there wasn't a lot of demand. Now it's both it's both demand-led. Supply is increasing, pushed by regulators and funded by the finance sectors.